Happy morning, children. Now we are going to solve practice set 17.1, third question. Now, in the third question is exactly like the second question. What difference is there that you can tell me here? O is the center of the circle. O is the center. Find the length of the radius. Now, clearly it is given find the length of the radius. So, you don't have to think what is given. Length of the radius means what? This point is the center of the circle. This point is on the circle. So distance between point O and A is the radius. Okay. So OA you have to find. So you just join like this. In the figure when you're drawing, you join it like this. So this radius you have to find. Length of OA you have to find. Now here you have to do this. Here in the second question that was not given. See here. In the second question already triangle was given and perpendicular symbol. Here also perpendicular symbol is given. So first understand the sum. Find the length of the radius. Okay, I have to find length of OA. OA is the radius of the circle. Chord of length 24. Length of AB is 24 given. And this is the perpendicular from the figure you can make out. It's a perpendicular. Now here some points should be given. Now how here P is given. Here also we should take some points. Suppose I'll take point M. Okay. So OM is perpendicular to chord AB. From the figure, it's given. And if it is a perpendicular, it will bisect the chord. So length of AM is equal to MB. Now this is 24 and both the lengths AM and MB are equal. So this AM will be 12 and MB will be 12. Now I want only AM because I am going to consider triangle OMA. And I will say because this is perpendicular, this is 90 degree. So triangle OMA is a right angle triangle. So AM is 12 and this I have to join. So I have just joined this. So this radius length I have to find. So this is 12. So right angle triangle. So OA square is the hypotenuse. Opposite to 90 degree, this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square because it's a right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem can be used. So this is 9 square plus 12 square will give you length of OA square. So now 9 square is 81. 12 square is 144. You add 144 plus 81. It gives you 225. And square root of 225 is 15. So length of OA will be 15. This way you have to solve this. Now only the writing part you have to do it. Now second example I showed you all. Exactly third example also you have to do. See students, now given. I have written, we have discussed all this, given and 5. And construction means join this, draw OA. That's what I have written here, okay? Because it's not given in the figure, so that this we have to draw. So I have written here construction, draw length of OA, okay? That has to be done. Now same procedure we will follow. What will be our first statement now? Like how we did here. Same method, see. So segment OP is perpendicular to chord AB given, then this is half of it. Same method, only the values have been changed. And we have to find the radius. So the first step will be segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB. There is no change. See, segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB. This is given. From the figure we can see. Second, now what we will write? Length of AM. M, this point we have taken on our own. Length of AM is equal to length of MB. Length of AM is equal to length of MB is equal to length of AB. Length of AB. Reason? The perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. So AM is equal to MB. This we have to write now. See here, I have wrote full statement. From statement 1 and this perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. So AM is equal to MB. Now I have wrote here length of AM. Now I want length of AM. I told you we are discussing only this triangle. So I want length of AM. So I am going to take only length of AM. Length of AM is equal to half into, what is length of AB? It is 24. So we will write here 24, which is equal to half into 24 will give you 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So now here reason what we will write from statement. Second we have written this step and this given length of AB is 24 given. So we will write from statement second and given. Length of AB is given, so you can just write given. Now fourth one. Now what we have to take? We have to tell that triangle is a right angle triangle. That angle is angle OMA is 90 degree. Measure of angle OMA is equal to 90 degree. Reason, this reason. OM is perpendicular to chord AB. Statement 1. So you can learn to write it in a logical way and understand the step. So I am making you write like this. So till here we finished. Now we will write triangle OMA is a right angled triangle. Statement 4. Now we can use Pythagoras theorem. OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square. Okay. So we can write. So here we have written, see, this is 90 degree. This is a right angle triangle. Length of OA square is equal to length of OA square, hypotenuse this is equal to length of OM square plus AM square. Now I wrote directly instead of writing hypotenuse square is equal to. I hope you have understood. So we will get by Pythagoras theorem we have written. Okay. So what is OA square? We have to find. OA square, OA we have to find. Okay. So we will write it here now as it is. Length of OA square is equal to, what is OM square? OM is 9 square plus AM is 12, which we have got 12 square. Now from where we got 9? From given 9. So we will write the reason given. And what is the other? Here 12 from where we got? Statement 3. Statement 3 we got. And this full step from where we wrote? From statement 6. Statement 6. Now 8th one. Now 9 square is 81. 12 square is 144. That will give you, therefore we can just write now length of OA square is equal to 225. Therefore OA square, length of OA, taking square root on both the sides, length of OA will be 15. Length cannot be negative, so we are not writing plus or minus, we are just writing 15. If you want, we can write here taking square root on both the sides. Okay, otherwise it is not needed. So what will be your conclusion? What is length of OA? It is radius of the circle. Therefore radius of the circle is 15 centimeter. This way you have to solve.